హలో. హలో హలో అందరికి నమస్కారం. చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. చాలా సర్రియల్‌గా ఉంది ఈ మూమెంట్. మీ రెస్పాన్స్ టు ద మూవీ చాలా ఓవర్‌వెల్మింగ్ ఇది. అండ్ కొత్త వర్డ్స్ దొరకట్లేదు ఈ జాయ్‌కి ఎక్స్‌ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి. సో చాలా మంది థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఫర్ షోయింగ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ లవ్. ఇదే మూమెంట్లో 2 ఎమోషన్స్ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. ఇదే గ్రేట్ఫుల్నెస్ అండ్ గ్రాటిట్యూడ్. And gratitude towards my whole team, my whole production house, everyone, my co-actors, who I'm so have so much of love and gratitude for everyone. If I start taking names, it'll be the whole night and it'll be the morning, so I won't. So thank you all for so much love, so much courage and everything. There's no words for me to tell you what it is. Thank you, my whole team. You've been my family for such a long time. And I have so much love in my heart for all of you. Thank you to the whole audience, the Telugu audience and the audience worldwide for so much love for Mirai. And Mirai has been a great journey and an amazing experience for all of us. And Mirai is in theaters, and who has not watched Mirai, please go and watch Mirai because it's an experience to be seen on big screen. So thank you so much all of you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ రితిక, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నా శ్రేయ గారు మాట్లాడతారు. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. కార్తిక్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ. దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ మై బెస్ట్ బర్త్డే గిఫ్ట్ ఎవర్. దిస్ is such a beautiful feeling. Chala thanks for giving me this beautiful role, for making such a beautiful movie. And it takes a very big heart and to make and belief and being very honest to make a movie like this. So thank you, and thank you for making me part of your vision. Producer Garu, it's a really difficult movie to make. So thank you for believing in all of us. Teja, I've known you since you were a kid. And it's so beautiful to see you shine, to actually shine so bright and work so hard. And after all, you know, I've seen how people go crazy and they love you so much and still stay so humble. It's a very rare quality. And also the love you have for cinema, it's beautiful. And the amount of yourself you put in out there, keep doing that. You have a long way to go. It's just so good to see you shine and do so well, and people love you so much. Every time I say Teja Sarja, and everybody go like, go! And that for me is a good feeling. I love it. I was showing Andre our old clips, and he was laughing and he's like, this is so beautiful. You are beautiful, my love. I love your smile. So pretty, and best of luck for all that you do. Manoj is not here. I'm so happy he was not in the scene when I was doing my most important, difficult scene. And there was a very talented actor, the one who played his younger self. Thank God, because if I were to see Manoj's dimples, I don't think I can feel bad. He's always been so kind and so loving, and he is someone I've known for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I've done a movie with him. The music is mind-blowing. Wow. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Please go watch this movie in cinema. I will take my family to watch it day after, and I'm really excited. Thank you, and lots of love to you all.
Thank you, Shreyaji. Thank you so much. Here is your phone. Thank you. And she's done a fantastic job already. Manandra witness chesamu. And Ritika gariki, Shreya gariki, thank you so much.